Ray Dalio has said, diversifying well is the most important thing you need to do in order to invest well. But real diversification isn't just owning different stocks. It's about combining truly uncorrelated strategies. So when one fails, others stay strong. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build that kind of portfolio. Here's what we're combining. First, a short-selling mean reversion strategy. This one targets stocks that have spiked too high, too fast. It bets on the snapback. On its own, the equity curve looks like this. Second, a long-side mean reversion strategy. This works the opposite way, buying when stocks drop sharply and then revert back up. Here's its equity curve. Third, a breakout trend following strategy. This one captures strong momentum, riding trends when markets break out and keep moving. Each strategy works in different environments, but the real power is when we combine them. The goal here is to combine uncorrelated strategies, meaning their returns don't move together. When one struggles, another can outperform. Let's start the backtest from the year 2000 with a $20,000 starting account, which is a very realistic initial capital. Now here's the combined portfolio equity curve. See how much smoother that is compared to the individual strategies. This reduces overall portfolio volatility and creates a smoother equity curve. It's the same principle that institutional investors use, diversifying strategies, not just assets. As we can see here, those strategies are uncorrelated. A good rule of thumb is that the maximum correlation between strategies should usually be below 0.5. The lower, the better. We also ran Monte Carlo simulations to test for anomalies, and the results are consistent. No unusual spikes or risks hidden under the surface. Also important, this backtest includes real-world trading costs, broker commissions and short-selling borrow fees, and limit extra buffer to simulate order fills in live markets. Let's look at the key statistics. Sharp ratio, over 1.87. Very strong, almost 2. Max exposure, around 104%. Average annual return, about 22.1%. And when we compare this to the S&P 500, it's day and night. You get high returns with better risk-adjusted performance. This is the power of combining uncorrelated strategies. And tools like RealTest make this process not only possible, but efficient. We can combine strategies, account for costs and test portfolios, all within one framework. This is how professional-level trading gets done, by focusing on robustness, diversification, and realistic assumptions. And also just a quick note, we're currently building and updating our official Setup Alpha website. Feel free to check it out. We're slowly adding all the strategies there, and if you have any feedback, any feature you'd like to see, anything special you'd want us to add, let us know. But you can download this entire portfolio, or if you prefer, you can download each strategy individually. You'll get the full RealTest code plus code in text file, so Python users can also replicate this. Link is in the description. Download now. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay diversified.